How can I find mean, median, mode, and range? First step, I should put my numbers from least to greatest number. Like here, 12, 12. Here is number one. Check it out. 14, 16, and 16. Put your numbers in order from least to greatest. Then mean means average. Just you have to add all of your numbers and divide by how many numbers do you have. Like here, 12 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 16. Over how many numbers do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I divide by 5. If you have 8 numbers, divide by 8. If you have 10 numbers, divide by 10. Okay? When you add all of them, you got 70 divided by 5, which is 14 pounds. IB here for pounds. Okay? The unit depending on the given, the problem solving. Median. Median means the number in the middle. The number in the middle. Here, which number is in the middle? Here, number 14. Can you see? Before it, I have two numbers, and after it, I have two numbers. So number 14 is my number in the middle, so it will be my median. Mod, the number that happened more than one time, okay, or more than any number in your set of data. So it's 12 here, 12 twice, number 14 just one time, 16 twice. So you have two numbers here. In mod it will be 12 and 16 pounds. Range, how can I find range? Just you have to subtract your greatest value minus your least value. It will be 16 minus 12, which is 4. So now we know how can I find mean, median, mode, and range. Number 2, and check it out. Before solving it, I need to say the definition of outlier. Outlier means here it's very different from other values. Like I have a range of my values about 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11. My range of data in this range, and we have 54. For example, I'll show you now. 54 is so far from my range of data, so it's called outlier. Okay, like here in the number line, can you see in the number line most of my data here, okay, and I have one number is so far from my data, like this one, too much different value, so this value is called outlier. Okay, look here at question number 2. Number 2 here, my outlier. Can you see I have here 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and 54. Which one is too much different? All of them in the same range, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, all of them in the same range, except 54, too much different. So 54 here is my outlier. 54 is my outlier. So I need now to evaluate mean, median, mode, and range. One time with the outlier, 54 will be with us. Another time without the outlier, okay? How can I find mean? Add all of them and divide by how many numbers do you have. Add all of them and divide by how many numbers do you have. Like here, mean here, add all of them with the outlier. Can you see 54 will be with us. Add all of them, and how many numbers do I have? If you count them, you will find 7. So divide by 7, it will be 15. Median, the number in the middle. Which number is in the middle? It will be number 9. 3 numbers before it with 3 numbers after it, so it will be number 9. The median here, number 9. Okay. Mod, where is my mod? Each number happened only one time, just one time. 5 just one time. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 54. I haven't a number that happened more than one time, so there is no mod. Okay. The range, just you have to subtract the greatest value minus the least value, which is 54 minus 5. So 54 minus 5 is 49. Here I considered the outlier. I considered 54. Second part, without the outlier, without 54, cross 54. Cross 54, and your data now is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 only. 54 not with us. How can I find the mean? Add them and divide by 6. I have 6 numbers now, not 7. Okay, it will be 8.5. Median. Okay, median, it will be here 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I have here even numbers, not odd. So here I have 2 numbers here, 2 numbers in the middle. 2 before them and 2 after them. How can I find the median of 8 and 9? Just you have to add them and divide by 2. 8 plus 9, 17 divided by 2, which is 8.5. So here the median. Mod, I haven't mod. There is no mod. And range, subtract greatest value minus least value, which is 12 minus 5 equal to 7. So can you see the difference when I have outlier or with the outlier or without the outlier? Can you see? The outlier here increases the mean. Increases the mean. How increase? Without it, it's 8.5. With it, I have 15. So increase by what? From 8.5 till 15. Subtract them. 15 minus 8.5, it will be 6.5. So the outlier increase the mean by 6.5 and increase the median. Median here is 8.5. The median here is 9. So increase the median by 0.5 and the range, increase the range from 7 till 49. So increase the range by 42. From 7 till 49 is 42. Subtraction. And it has no effect on the mod. Okay? The outlier may increase, may decrease. Okay? Look at number 2. We can solve here number 2. Put your set